bite.
Fisher, do you love it? Your first Easter bunny.
First chocolate bunny.
Yeah, baby, I like it.
Oh, we're not gonna eat very much of this though, okay? One more bite and then I'll put it away. One more. Okay. Wow, what a slugger.
Fisher, does it taste good? All right, we got other things. Look at all this other stuff.
Look, we got more. Let's see what else.
Good, bud?
Look, Fisher. It says your name on here.
Oh, he doesn't know enough about that yet, but that's pretty cool.
Coloring book, all your name.
And it has it all through the book. Isn't that cool?
So neat. That's for eggs later. More color. Color. We got Play-Doh coming up. Want to open this basket too?
Funny how he stands back.
Boats, yeah.
Ooh. He gets like overwhelmed and backs up.
These are magnetic. Pretty cool. You're using a pool and Uncle Rock
Magnetic?
Yeah, so you can make like a train out of them.
Oh, that's a really cool puppet.
Pretty cool stuff.
He likes his little basket. It's nice and light.
These in the pool area too. Yeah, I like how he's got the chocolate bunny on his face still.
Oh, he does?
Uh-huh. Did she look up?
You
See
have
it?
chocolate bunny on your lips?
Wow. Back it back up.
Fishy. Fish, do you love chocolate?
Pretty wild. Look at this thing's eyes. It's got water in it and everything.
That's weird. Eyes look kind of strange.
A lot of blessings.
Okay, say bye-bye. I'm going to end this video.
Bye-bye.